How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. 2007 Honda Civic. This is a 4-door. We're gonna replace the mirror on the passenger side. So I don't have to go in detail. Just gonna show you the basics. On the door handle, you have to remove the little cover to get to the screw. And on this side, on the control, pry it out, pull it out. You're gonna have an access to another screw here. Inside the door handle, right here, there is another pin. You have to push it, so it's gonna release the whole door. To grab it, so you have access to the holes to get your socket in there to remove the whole mirror. This is the connector for the mirror. It looks like it's 3 bolts in there, and I believe it's a 10 millimeter. Yep. Put your hand inside so you don't drop it. That's the second one. Yeah, so you don't drop it just like that. But it's okay. You can put your hand inside here and get it. The third one right here. So now the mirror is free. Now I'm gonna move to the other side and remove it So that's the mirror. Obviously it's damaged. We get a new one, but actually I paint the other one. Let me show you. This is a new mirror. So if you have a Honda Civic 2007 like this one, you can get this mirror on Amazon. You have to get the paint, clear coat, and I put a adhesive promoter at the beginning. So this is a aftermarket one, but this one is not heated. It's just the basic model, so this one should be okay. It was black when I get it, so I just painted, try to match Honda color, and it doesn't look that bad. I gotta put back. I just have to put the screws back on, at least one to hold it in place. And connector is gonna clip in here, connected in there, and that's it. Now we gotta put everything back on the car, which is kind of easy, not really difficult. For the third one, we're just gonna put it on the socket, put it in place. So the installation is done. Like I said, this is not something major. It's really easy, um, not difficult at all. Just gotta put everything back, grommet, replace your door, then put your back. Then you have to put everything back in place. Then let's put this one back in place, which is really easy. Top first, then just the clips all the way around. Make sure everything clicks in place. Get the connector out. Then we're gonna put the little clip inside. That's in there. Gotta get the screw. Small screw goes inside the handle. Large screw goes on the bottom. Cover on the handle. Your control. First the front part, then just snap on place. Now we're gonna check the mirror, see if it works, and that's it. Our installation is done. So just to finish, guys, remove the cover screw. It has a little clip in there. Pry on this side so you can remove the control, and then with your tool you just have to pry the panel out. That's the old mirror, and that's the new one. So like I said, I get a paint to try to match the color, so it's not gonna be perfect, but this paint is duplicate color and it's for Honda. I did 3 coats, 2 coats of clear, but the first coat was a his promoter. Now let's check on the controls. Yep, everything works. See if you can see on the other side. Mirror is moving, everything fits on in place, so we got it. Okay, so this is a 2007 Honda Civic. This is really an easy installation, and if you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.